Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. So if you're here, you guys know that I've been doing a daily series of opening my advent calendars for the year. I still only currently have 2 of them. I have the David's Tea 24 Days of Tea one, and then the 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. But yeah, so without further ado, we're going to get started. Yesterday I started with the tea, so we're going to start with the beauty today. We're on day 5, so day 5 in here is this box right there, so let's check it out. Oh, bugger. Another interesting item. I was expecting there to be more makeup in this. I said it yesterday, but I got these scissors, which I kind of need small scissors because I like to cut my eyebrow hair, like right here, because they get really long. So I'm excited to get these because they'll help out with a few things. But yeah, I was hoping for some makeup. Maybe next year I'll have to get a makeup calendar. So the David's Tea is the next one. Like I said, I am obsessed with this packaging. The back also has all the teas on the back. So we are on day 5, which is this one right here. Ooh, this one looks interesting. This is called chocolate chili chai. I think that I'm not gonna like this one a lot, but we'll see. This is what it looks like on the inside. I also love these little containers. They're super easy to open and all of that. So I'm gonna open this and smell it for you guys. Ooh, it smells really chocolatey. Alright, so this one is high caffeine. So that's the first one that we've had that's been a high caffeine. It has black tea, chocolate, red peppercorns, lily petals, ancho chili, another type of chili, Aleppo, I cannot say words, chili, and it has artificial chocolate and chili flavoring. It contains soy and it might contain milk. Yeah, that one I'm excited to try, but I'll put in a clip of me trying it right now. And so this is the chocolate chili chai. Before I taste it, I just want to say I love this mug. It says I know how to cook, I just don't. This is just embodies who I am. I probably can cook basic things, but I just don't. But that's besides the point. Now this, going back to the tea, this is the chocolate chili chai, like I just said. It's the high caffeinated one. I'm excited to try it. I'm doing a smaller amount again today just because it is the high caffeine. And while I'm filming this, it's like 5 o'clock or almost probably 5:30 at this point. So I just don't want to be over caffeinated for bed, but I still want to try it out for you guys. I had an exam today, so I'm running a little behind. Alright, so it smells super chocolatey. It smells really good. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Now it might be weak just because I didn't put a ton of the tea leaves, I guess is what they're called, in. But from what I can taste, it's really good. There's like a lot of different flavors there. It's very chocolatey, but you also do get a little bit of heat, but it's not like a in your face, like I'm gonna punch you type of heat. It's not like when you eat like a hot wing and your mouth's just on fire. It's like that nice burn in the back of your throat type heat. So I don't think this beats yesterday's, the mint that we had. I think it was the organic African mint was yesterday's. This one does not beat that, but this one I would say gets a 8 out of 10. It's really good. I think I would definitely enjoy it in the morning, and a full cup of it that's fully steeped, like full to the brim, all of that goodness. But yeah, definitely recommend this one right now. And yeah, Alright, so now that we have tried the tea and we've opened up both items that I have, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I've said in the last couple of videos, I don't plan on doing a fun fact at the end of my videos for these ones, but I will still be doing them at the end of my major videos that I post once a week on Sundays. I hope you guys really enjoy this series. I'm having a lot of fun with it. And yeah, make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Follow me on my Instagram at Miss Jenna or Miss_Jenna D_, at Twitter at Jenna D Miss, and on Facebook I have a page called Miss_Jenna D. There might be an underscore there, cannot remember, but make sure you guys go check me out there, and make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can be notified when I upload. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.